In this video, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp business account to a normal account. Now, even though there is no direct way to do it in the app itself, you still are able to go ahead and use the same phone number and basically use your same account, except to transfer it over to the regular WhatsApp account to create a personal account. So basically, you're going to migrate your phone number to the WhatsApp Messenger app, effectively turning it into a personal account, or by setting up a new personal account with a different number. So before you do this, please open up WhatsApp Business and make sure to back up any important information or chats that you do have. So you need to go ahead and back up any chats or save any images or videos that you do need before you do this. So please make sure to back up any chats, any important details before you actually go ahead and do the next step. Next up, you would need to go ahead and install WhatsApp Messenger right over here, the regular personal application. Then you want to go ahead and press on open, just like so. Then you will need to go ahead and log in using the phone number. You could use the exact same phone number that you did use whenever you created your WhatsApp business account, and it will basically work again. You will get all your contacts over here and everything will basically be the same. But if you guys want to use both of them at the same time, then you will need to use two different phone numbers. So you could do this either using a virtual phone number, or you can go ahead and purchase another SIM card, and then you can go ahead and use that SIM card for your other phone number, so you could basically use WhatsApp and WhatsApp business at the same time. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.